Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to promote affiliate links on Facebook groups. Alright. Alright, so before promoting any affiliate product, first of all we have to hunt an affiliate product. Okay, so you can hunt the affiliate product from anywhere, wherever you want. You can use any affiliate link to get the products, but right now I am using here the Warrior Plus to get the affiliate product to promote. Okay, so how can we use this? So first of all, I have logged in into my account into the Warrior Plus, and now I have to go into the affiliate and I will actually click on the offers here. And from here I have to choose a product with the good conversion rate, visitor value and refund rate. Alright, so let me just pick any product from here. So I would actually go with this product. I'm just picking up a product randomly right now. And to get the affiliate link of this product, you have to request an approval for the link. So if your approval is accepted, you will get an affiliate link which you can market on the Facebook groups. Let's just assume that I have got the affiliate link of this product. So how can I promote this on the Facebook groups? Okay, so thing is, if you try to promote the product on your page just by copy pasting the affiliate link, there are the high chances that your account or that link or the post may be blocked by the Facebook, because Facebook doesn't support the affiliate kind of links on their platforms. So your post may be banned or deleted by the Facebook. Okay, so how can we solve this situation? We can solve this situation by creating the landing page for that particular product. Okay, so how can we create? There are the different platforms on which you can easily create the landing page within few minutes. Okay, you can create the landing page on WordPress, Blogspot and Wix.com. So right now I will be using the Wix.com to create the landing page. So this would be done in the 2 minutes. Okay, so let's just go to the Google now and we have to search for create landing page on the Wix. Alright, so I will actually click on this link here, landing page website templates in Wix.com. So let's just click on this link, and from here you can actually choose any template for your landing page. Okay, so I would actually like to go with, okay, so I will actually go to the next page. Alright, so I will actually go with this landing page. So let's just click on the edit, and now I have to log in with my Google account here. You can use whichever account you want to use. You can log in with the Facebook or the Apple account, or just by using the email, but right now I'm actually using my Gmail account here. Alright, so it will take the few minutes, it depends on the speed of your internet, and it will give you a ready template for your website or for your product. Okay, alright, so our landing page is actually ready right now, and now you just have to write down a little bit about your product or the website. So let's just write down, I have an electronic product here, so electronic product, type of the site other. Okay, so the EV, so let's just create the site text and it will actually customize the template for our website or the product. Alright, so as you can see here, we have the electronics product. It actually changed its copywriting when we have given some text or some information about our product or the website. So as you can see here, that this is a ready landing page for your affiliate product. You can even customize it, you can edit the heading, you can change the pictures, and you can do actually anything whatever you want. As you can see that I can actually remove this text, add my own text, and we can even create a AI text here, and we can change the heading and etc etc. So our landing page is actually ready. We just have to customize it, but right now I will just publish this. Okay, but you have to remember one thing, that obviously you would have to buy your own domain, otherwise you will have your landing page but with the domain of Wix.com or something like that. So let's just publish this. So when we are launching our landing page of the product, we will need an customized domain, but right now I'll just go with the free Wix.com domain. So let's just save and continue. Okay, so let's just publish our site now. Okay, so our landing page is ready. So let's just click on the view side and we will have a look at our landing page of the product. Alright, so as you can see here, we have got our landing page ready in 2 minutes only. Okay, so this is how you can create your own landing page, but you would need to customize it with your own product. Okay, so after creating the landing page, what we need to do, we'll just go back to our Facebook account. Alright, so now you can see that I will just simply copy the link of our website here that we have created. Now I will just go back to my profile. So here what we need to do, we have to search for the affiliate group. Okay, so I'm gonna simply write affiliate marketing groups here. So just click on the groups and it should be the public groups. Okay, so now you can see that we have a lot of the different affiliated marketing groups where you can simply share the link of your landing page. Okay, so let's just click on the few groups here. So this one, this one, this one, and this one, and this one. All right, so okay, so why we are using the affiliate marketing group? Because most of the members of this group are affiliate marketer and they want to market their product or promote their product. So all of these kinds of group actually support promoting the affiliated products. You can simply paste the link of your landing page and they would actually go to your page and you will get the traffic on your landing page, which will eventually get the traffic for your affiliate product. And this is how you can use the Facebook groups to promote your affiliate products. Alright, so this is how it works, and if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.